Hi class. So today we'll be looking at chapter 3, worksheet 3. It will be on data analysis. So in this lesson, we will learn a few things, as you can see here. Okay, range, quartiles, percentiles, interquartile range. Okay, so we go one by one. In Sec 2, you have learned how to find the median of a set data, right? So you know what is a median. So to help you to recall, median is actually a measure of the average, and it is the middle value when you arrange them in ascending order. So when you take numbers, you arrange them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, you arrange them from smallest to biggest. Median is the number that is right in the middle. Okay, so that was what median means. In this part, we are going to see how we will use we'll recap on the median first, then after that we'll learn what is quartile and so on and so forth. Okay, so there are two types of data that we'll be learning. The first type is discrete data, and the second one is continuous data. Okay, what is discrete data? Discrete data refers to a set of data which only takes on distinct values. So for example here, discrete data here shows the number of phone calls a person can get receive can only take distinct values such as 1, 5, 12, etc. But I cannot take decimal point. Okay, I cannot take fraction, I cannot take decimal point. How do you say that I take 1.3 calls per day? No, it doesn't make sense, right? So these are the data that are discrete, a fixed number. Okay, now let's take a look for median with discrete data. Okay, suppose there are n observations in a discrete data. They are arranged already in ascending order. If my number of observations n is an odd number, then median is the middle observation. Okay, so if I want to find out which term, is actually taking the entire number divided by 2, the number of terms divided by 2, plus 1 divided by 2 if it's odd number. If it's even number, then it is the average of the two middlemost observation. Okay, let me just use a very simple example to demonstrate it to you. What this means is if I have 1, 2, 3, let's say 4, 5, I will have 5 numbers here. This is an odd set of number of data. Then if I want to find the median, for this case, I will then have to take 5 plus 1 divided by 2, third number. So it's 1, 2, 3. This is my median. Okay, as for this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say I have even number of observations. Median for even number of sets. Okay, have a slightly different calculation. I need to take the two middle number, add together, and divide it by 2. Okay, so I need to take the average of the half of it. Okay, why do I divide by 3? This one divide by 2. I get the third number, then after that I need to plus 1. I need to plus a fourth number and divide by 2. Okay, so I need to 1, 2, 3. Third number, fourth number, these two add together, divide by 2. So I get that this is 3.5. Okay, so this is how you find the median of even number data. Yeah, let's take a look. Second page. If n is odd, median is a middle observation. So consider the following set of distinct data. Odd number that's really arranged in ascending order. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 11 data here. Okay, so the number of observation here is 11. So the median is 12 because it is in the 6th position. So when your number is odd, remember, when your number is odd, to find median, you have to take the total number of set plus 1, then divide by 2. Then you get that this is the 6th position. Answer is not 6, but it's a 6th position. You see that I never write down the number, just 6. I write 6th, right? Because it's a positional thing. Alright, so example 1a. Alright, sorry, let me finish this side first. Right here, once you find the median, actually to check answer, you can divide it into two sides and then you count. Are there 5 numbers over here? And are there 5 numbers over here? The numbers on both sides must be equal once you find the median. Okay, so that's the meaning of median. Example 1a, where your n is an odd number. So a, numbers are already arranged in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there are total of 5 numbers here. So the median will be equals to 5 plus 1 divided by 2. You'll be at the third position. Therefore, the median is equals to this one. You count here, I have 2, here I have 2. So the answer is median is 6. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my median equals 7 plus 1 divided by 2. It will be a number on the 4th position. So therefore my median is equals to 18. Then you count. Left side how many? Right side how many? They must be equal. And do part 2 by yourself. Next video, I'll review the answer for this as well as continue with the question. Okay?